Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through the process of painting a beautiful green mountains landscape in oils. I was inspired by the serene beauty of the mountains, and I wanted to capture that on canvas. Let's start by lightly sketching the outlines of the mountains and the foreground. Now, I'm going to apply the base colors for the sky, mountains, and the lush greenery. As we progress, I'll be adding more details to the mountains and refining the foreground. To create a sense of depth in our painting, I'll use a lighter color palette for the background mountains and gradually darken the colors as we move forward. One key technique here is using atmospheric perspective, where distant objects appear lighter and less saturated, simulating the effect of the atmosphere. I've chosen these specific shades of green and blue to convey the calm and tranquil ambiance of the mountains. Now that we've established the foundation of our landscape, it's time to bring in some beautiful fields to our valley. Fields not only add color and texture to our painting, but also provide a sense of scale and perspective, making our valley come alive. To paint the fields, I'll be using broad, horizontal brushstrokes to create the illusion of rows of crops or wild grasses. Notice how the fields in the foreground will have more detail and richer colors, while those in the background will be softer and lighter. By placing the fields in the middle ground of our landscape, we create depth and draw the viewer's eye deeper into the valley. Now let's focus on the path that will guide us through this stunning landscape. But before we get to that, we'll start by adding some lush bushes, greenery, and grasses to the scene. The path not only serves as a visual element, but also draws the viewer's eye into the depth of the valley. It's a crucial component in creating a sense of exploration. Before we lay down the path, we'll add a variety of bushes, greenery, and grasses to give our landscape a more natural and vibrant appearance. For our bushes and greenery, I'm mixing different shades of green, from bright to deep, to capture the diversity of plant life. Our path will wind its way through the landscape, leading the viewer's eye from the foreground to the distant valley. Keep in mind the vanishing point, which is where the path appears to converge in the distance. This is a crucial element for creating a realistic sense of depth. This painting was a delightful journey, and I hope you enjoyed witnessing the process as much as I enjoyed creating it. Before we wrap up, I want to express my deepest gratitude for your ongoing support. It means the world to me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Your feedback is invaluable. Until next time, keep painting, keep dreaming, and keep spreading beauty in the world. Goodbye.